Hi everyone, let's study about our solar system. Our solar system is made up of sun and all the smaller objects that move around it. Apart from the sun, the largest member of the solar system are the 8 major planets. Let's discuss these planets in order of their distance from the sun closest to farthest. Number 1 is Mercury. The planet closest to the sun is Mercury, and it is the smallest planet in our solar system. It does not have any rings or moon. An interesting fact about Mercury is that your weight on Mercury would just be 38% of your weight on Earth. The sunlight on Mercury is 7 times brighter than it appears on the Earth. Though Mercury is the closest to the Sun, it is not the hottest planet in the solar system due to its dense atmosphere. Mercury is called Budh in Hindi. The second planet closest to Sun is Venus. Venus is also referred to the Earth's twin as it is quite similar to Earth in the terms of size and density. The atmosphere on the planet Venus is thick and toxic, full of carbon dioxide. The planet is always shrouded in thick clouds of sulfuric acid, which is of yellowish color. Venus is the hottest of all planets in the solar system and its surface temperature is around 475 degrees Celsius. Venus is called Shukra in Hindi. Earth is our motherland. Earth is the third closest planet to the Sun and it is the only habitable planet by living organism known till date. Earth stands at the 5th position in the size amongst all the planets in the solar system and is the only planet which is known to have liquid water on the surface. The name Earth is more than 1,000-year old. While all the planets are named after Greek god and goddesses, Earth has its origin in Germanic language and it is known to be meaning as the ground. Earth is called Prithvi in Hindi. Mars is a dusty and cold desert world with a very thin atmosphere. Mars is a dynamic planet having seasons, canyons, polar ice caps, and extinct volcanoes. All this points to the fact that planet Mars must have been very active in the past. Mars is the only planet where rovers were sent to explore their alien landscape. At present, NASA has deployed 2 rovers, 1 helicopter and 1 landers for exploring Mars' surface. Mars is called Mangal in Hindi. You all must have seen Mission Mangal, which was sent by India to explore the life on Mars. Jupiter. Jupiter is a massive planet and stands at number 1 position in terms of size in the solar system. It is more than double the size of all planets combined, and the swells and the strip observed on planet Jupiter are windy and cold clouds of water and ammonia that are floating in the atmosphere full of hydrogen and helium. The iconic Great Red Spot of Jupiter, which is even bigger than the size of the Earth, is actually a massive storm that has been raging for hundreds of years. Currently, NASA has its Juno orbiter exploring this planet. Jupiter has 53 moons that are already named and 26 others are waiting for their official names. Jupiter is called Brihaspati in Hindi. Saturn. Saturn is the second largest planet in the solar system. Saturn is decorated with thousands of beautiful rings, which is a unique feature of this planet. These ringlets are made of chunks of rocks and ice. Saturn is a giant ball composed of hydrogen and helium gases. Saturn is called Shani in Hindi. Uranus. Uranus was the first planet to be discovered in 1781 with the help of a telescope. Astronomer William was one of the people to discover Uranus, though initially he thought the planet as a star or a comet. Uranus has extremely cold and windy atmosphere. It has 27 small moons, 13 faint rings, and it rotates at almost 90 degrees with respect to the plane of its orbit. Uranus is called Uranus in Hindi. Neptune. Neptune is the last planet of the solar system. This planet is cold and dark with supersonic winds and is the most distant planet from the Sun in the solar system. It is the only planet in the system that is not visible by the naked eyes. Amongst the four giants, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, Neptune is the smallest. The surface gravity on Neptune is close to that on the Earth. Neptune has the strongest winds amongst all the planets. Neptune is called Neptune in Hindi. Some facts about solar system. The sun is also a star made up of gas and gives off light and heat. The biggest planet in the solar system is Jupiter and the smallest is Mercury. Sun distance from the earth is 93 million miles and the light from the sun reaches the sun in just 8 minutes. The sun collected almost 99% of solar system mass and is made of helium and hydrogen gases. Every planet in the solar system has distinct characteristics. For instance, Earth is most likely to be made of rocks while Jupiter is made up of gases. Earth is the only known planet to have living beings in it. Our Earth is always spinning around its axis, rotational axis, and revolving around the Sun in a loop that is called Earth's orbit. Earth takes 24 hours to rotate on its axis, and it takes 365 days to complete one revolution around the Sun. The rings around the Saturn is made entirely of water ice particle. Mars is also at times referred as red planet as it is made of red colored rocks. Mars is closest to Earth and slightly smaller than Earth in size. I hope you found this video informative and enjoyable. Do you know what is the name of the Earth's moon? Do you know how many moons does Jupiter has? Well, to know more about moon of different planets in the solar system, stay tuned to the Snoopy Kids. Please do share, like, subscribe to our channel.